Good morning, everybody. Right, today you find me down here at the Innovation Centre in Medway in Chatham, right next to the airport, which is absolutely brilliant. I've watched some wonderful planes taking off this morning, little biplanes. I would love to get a pilot's licence, I really would. Why am I down here, I hear you ask? Well, I'm down here for a Kent Medway Manufacturing focus group, and we're going to be talking about Kent's manufacturing, which, do you know what, is really tough at the moment. I feel for them because the cost of living is just crazy. Parts are going up, rent's going up, the cost of shipping and transportation and logistics is going up. It's a really tough time to be in the manufacturing industry. What can we do to help them? We can use continuous improvement to help. We can look at processes and streamlining, business transformation, culture, creating that flywheel of mini little tiny improvements that drive major change. That's what I want to talk about with the folk that are here today. I want to share about my Lean Thinking 5S workshop that I'm running at the Kent Invicta Chamber HQ in Ashford on the 19th of March. It's so cheap, it's £12 for 2 hours. Come down, we're going to use Lego to teach the basics of 5S. It will leave you with some skills that you can take away and use in your workplace that really will drive change. It's so simple and it's so engaging as well. Who doesn't like playing with Lego? It's a great excuse to have a little play. Anyway, I'm going to get inside, have a coffee. I will do a coffee review, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I'm going to enjoy this. I'm really looking forward to it. Take care. Speak soon.